Bonjour, bonjour, c'est temps pour l'écriture. Et mes amis, l'écriture aujourd'hui 9 et 10. We are moving and shaking in this booklet, friends, and I am so proud. Et tada, 9. D'accord. On commence au point départ, c'est ici. Okay, it's over here now. We're moving over. And we kind of make a loop. C'est un cercle, une petite ligne courbée. And we go back to that top and then we go down from there. Okay, we're going to try to make it an all one movement. Okay. My line could be straighter down, but sometimes they do go on a curve, so I'm not mad at that. Okay, bravo. Okay, point, courbé, and down. Great. Now what we don't want is something that looks like this or too much like that, right? Keeping that close to the center. And that should be closed. Okay. Woohoo, bravo. Oh, et maintenant, that's quite a row. Je sais compter jusqu'à 9. We can do this. We've got this, mes amis. It's like a marathon. Okay. 1, 2, 3. My helper head could be flatter. 4. Oh, 5. Remember, it's the body. Okay. Un ventre et un chapeau. Et 6. Remember, this one comes down and we have to touch the bottom. Touche ligne courbée. That's right. Good. Ah, 7, c'est facile. Jusqu'ici, et coin à coin. Diagonale. Oui, bravo. 8. Oh, this one was good yesterday. Oh, Mademoiselle Jory. I got really excited. Okay. See, even Mademoiselle Jory has troubles with 8s. Le 8. Oui. Ta-da! Et 9. Bravo. Et on compte... Ça, qu'est-ce que c'est, mes amis? Ça, c'est les fleurs, oui. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you see how I counted those, mes amis? Did you watch how I counted them? Did I go all over like this and count them? No, because you want to be sure that you're counting the right amount and the right number. Okay? Tu prends ton doigt or a pencil, and we are going to do it like we read, because we read left to right. Okay? Gauche à droite. So what I want you to do is when we're counting things, that's the way we're always going to go. We're not going to do a zigzag. We're just going to go this way so we know how many we've counted and that we've counted properly. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And did you notice that I said the number only as I pressed my finger on the les fleurs? So that's just a trick and a tip for you to know to precisely count when you're counting. Okay, when you're counting objects, to precisely count. Okay, right now. Dun 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 dun. 10. Bum 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 ba da 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 da. 10. 10 ballons. Ugh, mes amis, this one's you're just gonna roll through this one. Okay, 1, on connaît comment faire ça. 1 et 0, facile. Okay. Boom. And then we've done O's already. It's the same. C'est la même as a big O. Okay. Un O majuscule. Ben ça c'est un 0 maintenant. Je sais écrire le nombre 10. And when we describe the number 10, 10, never say 0, 1. Because when you say that, I think this. Okay? And that is actually just 1. So when you say what does it take to make a number 10? How do we make a number 10? On dit 1, 0. 1, 0. Never 0 and 1. Okay? Ooh. Woohoo! Et 10 ballons! What color? Quelle couleur? Les ballons. I actually have to go back and color a whole bunch in my booklet. So maybe that's something that I can catch up and do tomorrow. Okay, mes amis. Oh, et maintenant, while I have you here, ça c'est les sons pour aujourd'hui. Oh, that's my little tab. Les sons pour aujourd'hui. Okay, this is page number 4, numéro 4. Z. Okay, et c'est celui-là. Z. Zigzag comme une abeille. Bzz. Okay, but we don't go buzz, we just go zzz. Okay, et maintenant, jongleur. Okay, jongleur. He's a juggler. Okay. T, c'est pour tennis. You're watching the ball go back and forth and you go t, 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 t. Okay. Et dernière son pour aujourd'hui, c'est p, 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 pluie. Aujourd'hui, today, il va y avoir du pluie aujourd'hui. There's going to be some rain today. P, 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 p. Okay, fantastic. Let's look at this. Z. J, t, p, t, z, p, j, p, t, j, z. Bravo, mes amis. That's a lot today. Have fun and à bientôt!